Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we got hashtag We Cook With Coffee. We're going to make a nice little sweet, savory coffee sauce. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Alright guys, our ingredients today are as followed. Half a cup of coffee. We're going to do some onions, some rosemary, some garlic, and some mushrooms. We're going to add that in to give the sauce a little bit more flavor. But other than that, it's going to be 2 cups of beef broth, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire. That's going to make up the wet part. Obviously our half a cup of very, very strong coffee over there. And then we'll finish that sauce off with some butter. And what I plan to do, or what I'm doing that I'm not going to show you all, I'm going to smoke a pork tenderloin, and we're going to put this sauce over that pork tenderloin, hopefully at the end. But this video is all about the sauce. Hashtag We Cook With Coffee. Let's get it on. Alright guys, let's get some of this prep done. First and foremost, we'll need some small diced onion. Get through that, we'll bring you back. Alright guys, got our onion kind of going here. I've went down and went through, so we just need I don't know, probably 3 good tablespoons of this onion to work with our sauce here. So we'll take our onion, done and out of the way. Then we got these mushrooms I thought would be good in the mix. I'm just going to make big old slices of those. Alright, got a rosemary here. Probably just need to do a decent tablespoon of this. Not even a tablespoon, probably half a tablespoon. Rosemary is really potent. So take your knife through. You don't want big chunks of this rosemary in your sauce. You want nice little pieces, because that will get stuck in your teeth and you will thank me later for this. We'll do the garlic next. Alright, we did our rosemary, and we did a good job of chopping that up. See, it's nice and fine. It'll go good, it'll get your flavor throughout your sauce. So next, what we want to do is we want a little garlic for our sauce. So, and I'm not too worried about this being super small. Crush your garlic, get your skins off. Obviously discard your skins on your garlic. Hey, if you like garlic skins, go ahead, leave them in there. You'd be one of the first ones. And then just take your knife, run a knife through it. That's good enough for me. Alright, let's get this sauce going next. Alright peeps, we are back. We got a little bit of oil in our pan. I just used vegetable oil with a little bit of butter just to get this party started out right here. And we'll put in our onion there. And we're going to add pepper and some salt, obviously, because you always need that in your life. Salt, pepper, kosher salt, Himalayan salt, whatever salt you guys like. Right, we're gonna get this going. We're gonna sweat this out. We'll be back. We have taken the rawness out of these onions, and it's time to add a little more flavor. So here goes in our rosemary and our garlic into our mixture. It's the base for our hashtag We Cook with Coffee sauce. All right. So now we got some good flavor going on in there. This is all going to go good with our coffee. We're going to add some sweetness. We're going to add some heartiness. We're going to add some bitterness to it. That's our start. All right, then we got all that deliciousness going. Just add some mushrooms to the mix here. Use any mushroom you want. I'm just using straight up, good old-fashioned button mushrooms. And you'll see that's why I added so much butter, because these are going to suck some stuff up. We'll be back. We're going to add the liquids. We're going to get this thing going. All right, butchers, I'm getting to the point where we need to start adding some liquid to this party. So let's get this going. Here's our coffee going in there. Half a cup of strong coffee. That going in the mix. We'll keep this going up on a good tilt on your burner. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, or however you want to say it. Worcestershire. We got 2 cups beef stock, beef broth, whatever you got will work. And then we got a 1/4 cup pure maple syrup into that mix. And what we're going to do, we're going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to let it reduce a little bit to let those flavors meld, and then we're going to bring it together with a cornstarch slurry at the end. Our sauce is close. That tenderloin out there on the smoker is close. We're going to have supper here before long, guys. Hashtag We Cook with Coffee. Cold. Right, let's thicken this sauce up. We got our slurry here. Cool water, cornstarch. Your sauce needs to be boiling at this time. And this will bring this sauce together. Do a little bit more, I guess. Don't get too crazy or you'll have a big old pasty of sauce, but it's working well here so far. Get there, go together. You can see the bubbles change, and that's a telltale sign right there that your sauce is getting to the thickness that you want. And now you can see we're there. We'll add just a little bit more of this. And we're getting to the sauce viscosity that I want out of that. As you can see right there. Well, I hope you can see, because I can't see what I'm doing right now. Usually I can. Try a different angle. So here we got it there. And I think we're good when this cools off. I think we're going to be totally good on that. One extra thing. Added one last little bit of sheen to this. Some more butter. Get the butter in there. We're gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna plate this. Hashtag we cook with coffee. All right, let's get this plated up. So let's start with some mashed potato. Right there. Let's add some delicious asparagus to it. We got our wonderful smoked pork tenderloin. Good looking stuff there, people. Good looking stuff. And then we're gonna finish with our wonderful sauce. Hashtag cooking with coffee sauce. There you guys got it. The flavor of the coffee really does come through this. It's a great sauce. You know, if you don't like the sweetness in it, don't worry about putting the sweetness in it. But I'll tell you what, it's a good sauce. Works well with anything smoked, etc. like that. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. We'll see you next week, guys.